June 9th, it's going down at a secret location, the house show, featuring new band, Jamaican Queens, which has Abby Fiscus, Ryan Spencer, Ryan Clancy, and Adam Presley. Featuring another band, Ritual Howls, and DJing that night, my main man's BILJAX. And yours truly, your host, G Beezy, known as Genie Boii. Be there. If you want more information, you gotta talk to one of us. You know? Deuces. That shit right here. They looking like Genie Boii. No, he ain't about to do it. Yeah, big Genie Boii, he about to do it. Put your life on the line, don't you risk it. June 9th is going down, don't you miss it. I think you got real issues. Go and wet your tears, dog. Here, take a tissue. Bullets don't miss you. Them bitches gon' hit you. Mess with me, I backhand hit you, then I split you. Bust your skull wide the fuck open. Looking out the glass, here this motherfucker scoping. Bullet in your throat, had you motherfuckers joking. I said it's going down, motherfucker, I ain't joking. Be the motherfucking monster. Host this fucking shows, yeah, this city we gon' conquer. Jamaican Queens, this is about the brief story. They Jamaican Queens, but they so Detroit. Yeah, real business. That's it. I'm finished.
Good job.